Bienvenidos and welcome everyone to Transition Healthy Self. It's your girl Tiff here, and in today's video I am going in again with OBIA Naturals, and today I'm going to be doing a Twaid out. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. So I'm starting off showing you their custard. I'm going to be using it on freshly washed and clean hair. Now, if you didn't catch my last video, definitely will be linking it above right here, talking about how I use their entire line, which I did use it again, the shampoo, the deep conditioner, and now I'm using the custard. So this time I'm actually going to do a Twaid out, which is a twist braid out versus a ringlet look. I just want to see how the definition is going to look and what my results are going to be. So I start off by adding the custard, and then I go in and twist, and I'm always twisting the opposite direction of my face, so that way when my curls do fall, they fall away from my face and they're all uniformed versus falling towards my face. Once I get down to about my ear, I then take the two pieces and I separate them into 3 parts. And now I'm going to begin doing the braid. And it's really simple. It's really easy. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can get a better view of it. But this is just it. You start off with a 2-strand twist and then you go into a braid. Now, Twaid outs can also be the opposite, which is starting off with a braid and then twist. Totally up to you, but I decided to do it this way, starting off with a twist and then going into a braid. Now I'm going to start with the next section, and the same thing, I'm going to be applying my custard. Once I apply my custard, my hair has been fully detangled, so I don't really have to do too much as far as detangling it, just making sure that I'm saturating my hair properly so that way each strand is covered by this custard. And again, I go in doing the 2-strand twist, as you can see here. And then once I get to about roughly the top of my ear, I'm going to go ahead and start my braid. Okay, now I'm moving on to the next side of my hair, and again doing the same thing. Starting off with the 2-strand twist, twisting away from my face, and then once I get to about my ear, I will begin my braid. Now all of my hair is complete. I have about 13 Twaids, and the next morning I went in with a little bit of olive oil, like a light olive oil, and just kind of saturated my ends and began to take them out. And as you can see here, these are the final results. Nice definition, smooth and shiny. All right, so I really do like this look. I feel like my hair is a little like it's shrunk, and I don't know for say if that's the custard or just because this is first day hair, but it's like I love it. I do love it. I like the definition. I like the feel. It's very soft. It's not crunchy. I don't know if you guys can see my hands, but there's like no oil, none of that. And I mean, I used oil just a little bit to take these out, but the custard didn't leave my hair greasy, and that is like my biggest thing. I don't like my hair to look greasy. Get a close up and you can just see. Maybe even snatch my edges a little bit. But it's very soft. Obviously I don't have good parts, and I mean that's okay. So I could go in and separate these more. You know, and get a little bit more volume, but I don't know that I want to do that because I feel like over the course of the next couple of days, like look at the back, I feel like it's gonna get big, so I don't want to pick too much at it. Let me know in the comment section what you all think. Would you try this particular brand, OBIA? A Naturals, would you try them? Like I said, they are a vegan company, and I didn't pick them because of that. Actually, a friend on Instagram, which I'll link her Instagram below, right here and also in the description box, but she's been telling me about them for quite some time, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So yeah, this will definitely stay in for the next 3 to 5 days. So stay well, stay healthy, be blessed, and I'll see you guys at the next video. And you don't want to miss it because it's going to be another hair video. All right, bye guys.